Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable active scripting in your Internet Explorer web browser. So there's been a vulnerability in Internet Explorer for quite some time, and it's referred to as active scripting. And while some of the functionality of Internet Explorer might be lost, this is generally pretty good if you're trying to increase your security of your system. And that's probably why you're on this video, to be honest. So we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up Internet Explorer. Keep in mind, Internet Explorer is not the same as Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can clearly see the difference between these two E's. So once you have the Internet Explorer browser up, you want to left click on the gear icon in the top right, where if you hover over it, it says Tools. So you want to left click on that. Now you want to go down and left click on Internet Options. Now you want to left click on the Security tab up at the top. And down here underneath where it says Enable Protected Mode, you want to left click on Custom Level. So again, left click on that. Now you want to go down until you get to Scripting right here. And where it says Active Scripting, you want to set this to the disabled position. So just left click inside the disabled oval right here. Once you've done that, you want to click on OK. You want to select Yes to confirm our changes. So now just left click on Apply and OK. I would recommend restarting the computer as well, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.